morning, folks. It is opening morning for us, and it's a special day. The bad thing is, it's been raining all morning, so the sun's already coming up. We're coming out here late, but they should still be on the limb, and we done parked a truck. We've been driving through nothing but sloppy mess. The roads out here at our hunting club are just trashed. I mean, it stormed for at least 7-8 hours last night, and it just slacked off maybe 30 minutes ago. So it's completely dry now. Ain't raining. Camera ain't gonna get wet. Now we can go in there. So stay tuned, and I think we got a good chance. So let's try it out. It's opening morning. I mean, gotta go out. We got good sign. We know they're here. We got some turkey scat. That is prime evidence. Well, no wonder he was gobbling like crazy. Because I just got the camera, and a guy just shot twice. He must have had that bird roast. Man, we were so excited. Dang. He was right there. Oh my God. Well, I'm glad he did that. But he did. Because we would have done walked all the way over there. At least it means they're on the ground though. So, dang. Well, I'm glad birds are, I'm glad birds are gobbling on other people's property. Because it ain't happening for us right now. I guess now all we can do is go try to strike one up where we intended on going. We kind of cut off a path and started going this way, so. Well, at least somebody got lucky this morning. Look how big his body is. What did he do with his tail? Look at now. Mr. Deer. Oh, look at that. That's probably bright. Okay, so. Yeah, I know. I don't know if you heard that, but there's a bird gobbling on the neighboring property. And we're not hunting the neighboring property, but we're hunting on the backside of our property. And we're right beside two different neighbors. And it seems like every neighbor is turkey hunting today because we was hoping they would pitch down and come to our land like they do, because we don't really have as many trees as them. Okay. Yeah, there's hens yelping on our property, so. Oh, I heard it. Did you just hear them hens right there? That could be the group that's going to dead. That bird's just fired up. He is fired up. There's plentiful amounts of birds, but we just gotta get on them. And there's one bird just going crazy right now, so yeah, that's your update. We just saw another guy. Alright, so we're set up on a field right now. There was a bird gobbling with some hens down at this bottom, but we know they come through here in like the next hour or so. Normally, like on a daily basis, they come through here. And also, you can thank me, but I'm really stupid because I didn't bring an SD card that has memory on it that is empty. So I think I have like 3 minutes worth of film I can put on this camera. So the only big cam footage we'll get today is hopefully the bird being shot. So other than that, you'll be seeing me on here. But we're gonna give it some time. They ain't really fired up and gobbling or nothing, but we're gonna wait, try to see. Who knows? I mean, all the neighbors are killing them, so we should have a good shot. So change of plans. We got a new SD card, so we got plenty of footage to roll. But we have drove over to my other spot, and we're gonna go try to find a bird strutting somewhere. So we're losing time because it's about to be lunch, and I gotta go somewhere. So let's see what we see. Okay, so that didn't work, but that's gonna have to do it for this video. We have plenty coming up. Turkey season's just now starting. This was opening morning, and we are gonna have a ball. There's gonna be so many videos coming out every weekend when I'm not having school and whatever else I gotta do. I'm gonna be out here, so look forward to those. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. It lets me know that you want to see more of these videos. And with that being said, we'll see you on the next one.